Okay. Good. This is so good, and it tastes the same as the other one. Good idea. It's not smaller, it's the same size. So I feel like this is the same size.
You like some?
Sour.
The mango one I got, it has a little sour, but it's okay.
Yeah, me too. Because the shaved ice is sweet.
So good.
That's why I wanted the
When we're not in Waikiki, this is really good. You just don't have as many options, but that's okay. This tastes the same as the one that I get in Waikiki, and it's I don't know, it's cost less. It's like $4 less or something. What's over here?
We're open till 8.
8.
So 11:30 to 8.
11:30. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Every day or?
Every day.
Okay. Cool.
Every day.
great.
Thanks. It was good. We go to the Waikiki one also,
Right.
but
a lot more
choices.
variety over
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, they
But
have like the boba and
Yeah.
they're also a little bit more expensive at that location too. Yeah. I guess they have to pay for the overhead too and everything.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Cool. I'm glad you have this option. Yeah. Totally.
yeah, we will.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.